Hey there, this is Daniel St.Pierre on Glorious Acres, and today I'm going to try and help you get your mower started. This one is a push mower. It is a Hyper Tough 20-inch. It's got a Briggs & Stratton 4.5 horse on it, and I noticed that the linkage had a lot of play in it, and it ran good for a while, but recently it just won't start, and when it does start, it only runs for a couple of seconds and seems to stall. And I do believe I found the problem. So let me show you what the problem is. When I do give it the throttle and I disengage the flywheel, it just won't start. So here's what I did to reduce the slack that I had on the control arm over here. I simply looped the cable around a nut and bolt. See that right there? And use 2 washers. Fix cost me about 50 cents maybe. And let's give it a pull and see if she'll start. Well, wish me luck. That did the trick. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time, to God be all the glory.